Welcome, market callers. Today is March the 1st, 2021. You are watching HueFin, also known as HueFin News Channel, to where we are here to call the markets to ensure that we are in position to capitalize on the anticipated price movement. And if you are interested in that, if you are interested in learning more about how to do that, then simply like the video, share the video, and also subscribe to the channel. We're simply here to give you all information that will benefit us in the future, in order to grab the profits out from the trap rather than him taking it from us. Now, the trap is the one who controls the price, right? He's the one that we've created on the bottom left side of our screen. He is the criminal. That is the crook. We need to ensure that we stay away from the traps that he lays out for us in the cryptocurrency space. It could be in the stock market. It can also be in commodities. He is everywhere to which there is a market. So now, we need to ensure that we stay away from him and that we beat him to where we expect price to go in order to win. We have to do that in order to grab the profits away from everyone else. And we're going to show you that today for Yearn Finance. You guys can see right here, we already did a price prediction earlier back here on the 10th of February. We anticipated that the trap was going to increase the price of this currency, and did he? Immediately the next day, on the 11th of February, he came and took out our ultimate TP price. I mean, matter of fact, the market closed right there. So if anything, we got 18, almost 19% out the market, calling it, expecting him to increase the price, and we left the market. We got what we came for. There's no need for us to be there once we came for what we wanted to get, and we left. So at least 18.83% could have been had the next day. Excellent job. This is how you call the markets. This is how you win right there. Now it's over. We need to look forward to ensure that we are still in position to capitalize on the price movement for Yearn Finance. So let's take a look real quick. What has been going on since that particular time that we did our video? Well, the market has been in a downtrend. Literally, the market in Yearn Finance has been trending lower since that video. So let's take this first line here and let's follow the market. Look how swift this market in Yearn Finance is dipping. We're definitely seeing this market in Yearn Finance go lower in price. We can visually see it. The next thing, do you really think this market in Yearn Finance is actually following this ascending line? Let's go ahead and take this off. Do you all think this market is obeying this ascending line to where you would expect us to break off and move higher in price? Do you see that? You might. I'm not here to show you anything that you do not see. If you see it, you see it. Now the question is, will you get in position to capitalize on what you see right before the price gets there? So we're going to look at the market real quick on a 3-day time frame in Yearn Finance. And actually everything looks pretty good. You know, I like to see the market find areas of support. Now it is here. Okay. This is the area of support right now for Yearn Finance. In or around this particular price, which is around $27,600. Very good. But I don't want you to forget though, that this market in Yearn Finance, it is still in a downtrend, right? So this is where the war is going on between the market. Let me circle it for you. This is where the battle is going on between the market sellers and the market buyers. Right now, the market buyers are winning based off what we're seeing right now on the 3-day time frame. 5-day time frame, you guys can see a little bit better that the market buyers are definitely winning, but it's only slightly. It's not extreme to where you would definitely expect on the 5-day time frame for Yearn Finance to go higher in price. We're starting out a new week. Here we are. So maybe the buyers may actually try to take the price up here towards $34,000, $35,000, and then we'll see a resumption of lower price. So we don't have long. We're almost at $34,000 right now. Looking at the market on a monthly time frame, definitely looks weak. So from a longer term perspective, I just did a video for XRP And I told everyone, if you're in the market for the long term in XRP, this goes the same for Yearn Finance. If you're in it for the long term, i.e. the weekly, the monthly time frame perspective, it is emphatically weak. The market is definitely hinting at more weakness in the long term. But again, if you're a short-term trader, if you're a day trader, then the market can definitely emphasize some movement higher in price. You just need to pinpoint where you expect to see the sellers at in order to get out the market right before it drops again. Okay, so let's do this here. We'll look at this on the hourly time frame, and again, I like the hourly time frame only in so much that I'm looking for it to go higher. Okay, $34,500 to $36,000 is literally where I'm expecting the market in Yearn Finance to go. Why? Because we've already established some areas of restriction into the market in Yearn Finance. Okay, so maybe around $36,760 is literally where we can see the market in Yearn Finance go. It's not much. I mean, if we were to see that right now, that is only about 9%, which is decent. I mean, 9% profitability is excellent. When you look at the market and the volatility of this particular currency, that's excellent. To expect the market to go up 9.82% and then you get out the market and expect it to go back down, that's positive, right? And I think that's what we're going to do. We're going to continue to play a little bit of strength into the market for Yearn Finance. Okay, you guys can see it right here on the daily time frame, and we like the fact that the market has already supported itself right there around $27,800. Okay, it's pretty good. So we're going to hold that area for support. It's not a big area of movement higher price that I am anticipating, right? Because when you look at this in the longer term, the market is generally weak. So we need to continue to show that and be in that realm. But we're just playing this on a smaller time frame, daily time frame, to expect the market in Yearn to come up to this particular price level. We would definitely skim off a little bit here around 36, which is 7.77% profitability into the market in Yearn Finance. Okay, so let's play this. Definitely the market will need to hold anywhere around that $30,000 price. I would definitely, even if we were to break it slightly to the downside, if I see strength come in around that $30,000 price, this forecast will be maintained. Okay, but again, this is only from a daily perspective, daily time frame. If you're looking at this in the long term, then again, we can definitely still see some emphasis on market weakness. What do you think about this before I let you all go? Are we still in an uptrend? Answer that question for me in the comment section of this video. Are we still in an uptrend? Let me know. In the long term, in the overall trend into the market in Yearn Finance, are we still in an uptrend? Answer that question for me with a comment in the comment section. And then again, leave me your price prediction for Yearn Finance. Where are we headed? This is our price prediction for a daily time frame only, not the long term. This has to come to fruition over the next couple of days, because if it doesn't, we are definitely increasing the likelihood of the market going lower. All right. So now let us know your prediction with a comment in the comment section. As always, let's not make it complicated. We are market callers. This is our purpose, to ensure we call the markets precisely and that we are in position to capitalize. We win. Now, make sure you maintain a profitability. Trade different.